Women after 65, castor oil plus Epsom. Salt foot soak for 10 days. Feel the difference. Dorothy, 72, could not wear regular shoes for 3 years. Her feet were so swollen and painful that she lived in oversized slippers. Her daughter found an old remedy that changed everything, a simple foot soak with 2 ingredients. After 10 days, Dorothy was walking 2 miles in her favorite walking shoes. What you are about to learn is not just another foot soak. This specific combination of castor oil and Epsom salt creates something remarkable that happens day by day in your feet and spreads through your entire body. But use the wrong temperature or ratio, and you waste your time. Let me show you exactly what happens each day when you do this correctly, and why thousands of women over 65 say it changed their lives. Day 1 and 2, the warmth returns. Within 20 minutes of your first soak, something unusual happens. Your feet feel warm from the inside, not just from the water. This warmth lasts for hours after the soak. Linda from Arizona had worn socks to bed for 15 years because her feet were ice cold. After her second night of soaking, she kicked off her socks at midnight. Her feet stayed warm all night. Here is what is actually happening. The warm Epsom salt soak plus light massage helps tight feet and calves relax. Your feet have over 7,000 nerve endings and 200,000 sweat glands. These create pathways for minerals to enter your bloodstream. Castor oil locks in moisture and adds glide for a gentle upward massage. Most women notice their feet change color during these first 2 days. Pale white feet turn pink. Purple mottled skin becomes more normal looking. This is blood flow returning to areas that have been restricted for years. Warmth plus a light upward massage can encourage healthy circulation to the toes. The mistake everyone makes on day 1 is using water that is too hot. You want it warm, like a baby's bath, around 100 to 105 degrees. Too hot and your feet swell more. Too cold and the minerals cannot penetrate. Think comfortable, not shocking. Mix 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt with 1 tablespoon of castor oil in a basin of warm water. Enough water to cover your ankles. Stir until the salt dissolves. The oil will float a bit. That is normal. Soak for 20 to 30 minutes while sitting comfortably. Do this in the evening, about an hour before bed. Day 3 and 4. The swelling disappears. Barbara could not believe it. She could see her ankle bones for the first time in 5 years. The deep indentations from her socks were gone. Her wedding ring, which had been tight, suddenly spun freely on her finger. The foot soak was affecting her entire body's fluid balance. A warm, slightly salty soak can ease puffiness around the feet and ankles so shoes fit more comfortably. Combined with castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties, this reduces swelling not just in your feet, but throughout your body. Women report their fingers feel less stiff, their faces look less puffy, and their shoes fit better. During days 3 and 4, you might need to urinate more frequently. This is good. Your body is releasing stored fluid that has been making you uncomfortable. Drink extra water during the day to help flush out what your body is releasing. Castor oil is doing something else important. It is penetrating deep into your skin, carrying moisture even deeper. Castor oil molecules are small enough to pass through your skin barrier and reach the tissue underneath. This is why the swelling reduction lasts longer than with Epsom salt alone. Day 5. The sleep miracle. Margaret had not slept through the night in 8 years. She would wake up 3 or 4 times with foot cramps, restless legs, or just general discomfort. On night 5 of the foot soaks, she slept 9 hours straight. She woke up confused, thinking something was wrong because she had slept so deeply. The routine signals relaxation. Many people fall asleep faster and report fewer night cramps. When you soak your feet in this mixture, you are not just treating your feet. The warmth and ritual create a powerful bedtime signal for your brain. The relaxation you feel during the soak is not just from sitting still for 30 minutes. The warmth is actively calming your nervous system. Your heart rate slows, your breathing deepens, and your stress hormones drop. Many women say they feel sleepy during the soak itself. To enhance this sleep effect, add your foot soak to a simple bedtime routine. Dim the lights while soaking. Play soft music or just sit quietly. After soaking, Pat your feet dry gently. Do not rub. Apply a small amount of plain castor oil to your feet and put on cotton socks. This continues the treatment all night. Some women notice vivid dreams during this period. This is because you are finally reaching deep REM sleep that you have been missing. Your brain is catching up on important processing and healing that only happens during quality sleep. Day 6. Joint pain starts fading. By day 6, something remarkable happens to your toe joints and ankles. The stiffness that made your first morning steps feel like walking on broken glass begins to ease. You can wiggle your toes without wincing. Your ankles bend smoothly instead of creaking like old hinges. Warmth and a gentle massage can ease morning stiffness, so the first steps feel easier. The castor oil penetrates the joint capsules themselves. This combination provides comfort directly where needed through your skin. No digestion required, no stomach upset, just direct application to your painful joints. Susan, 68, had had bunion pain for 20 years. Nothing helped except surgery, which she was too scared to have. After 6 days of foot soaks, she could wear regular shoes for the first time in 5 years. The bunion was still there, but the inflammation and pain had decreased by about 70%. This is also when you might notice your knees and hips feeling better, even though you are only soaking your feet. The anti-inflammatory compounds circulate through your entire body. Many women report easier stair climbing and less pain when getting up from chairs. If you do not have quality Epsom salt and castor oil at home, I have added links to trusted products from Amazon in the description below this video. Day 7. Skin transformation. Look at your heels on day 7. Those thick yellow calluses that looked like tree bark are starting to soften. The deep cracks that sometimes bled are beginning to close. Your feet feel soft and smooth like they did decades ago. Nancy, 74, was embarrassed to get pedicures because her heels were so cracked they would bleed. Her granddaughter said they looked painful just to see. After 7 days of soaks, the cracks had closed enough that she finally felt comfortable wearing sandals. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that penetrates deeper than any other oil. It carries moisture into the deepest layers of your skin. Unlike lotions that sit on top, this actually rebuilds your skin from the inside out. The dead skin naturally falls away, while healthy skin grows underneath. The Epsom salt is gently exfoliating, while the castor oil is deeply moisturizing. This combination works better than expensive foot treatments that only address one problem. You are softening, healing, and rejuvenating all at once. During your soak on day 7, gently rub your feet together under the water. The dead skin will start coming off easily. Do not force it or use pumice stones yet. Let the treatment do the work naturally. After your soak, the dry skin will continue falling off over the next few hours. Day 8. Neuropathy and numbness improve. This is when women with diabetic neuropathy or numbness notice something changing. The dead feeling in their toes starts to have moments of sensation. The burning pain that kept them awake begins to calm. The pins and needles feeling becomes less intense. Patricia had not felt her little toes in 3 years. Her doctor said the nerve damage was permanent. On day 8 of soaking, she felt her husband accidentally step on her little toe. It hurt, but she was thrilled to feel anything at all. By day 10, she had sensation in all her toes again. If you have numbness or neuropathy, this routine may offer comfort. Keep your clinician in the loop. The warmth improves circulation to peripheral nerves, bringing oxygen and nutrients they need. Castor oil provides a soothing barrier. Together, they create an environment where you might experience improved comfort. If you have diabetes, monitor your blood sugar carefully during this time. Some women find their blood sugar becomes more stable when their circulation improves. This is not a cure for diabetes, but the improved circulation and comfort can help your body work better overall. The tingling you might feel during the soak is not the neuropathy getting worse. It is your nerves responding to warmth and improved circulation. Like when your foot falls asleep and starts to wake up, that uncomfortable tingling means changes are happening. It should feel different from neuropathy tingling, more like circulation returning. Day 9. unexpected energy and balance. Rose, 71, noticed something odd on day 9. She stood up from her chair without holding the armrests. She had been pulling herself up for so long that standing easily felt foreign. Her balance was better, and she had energy she had not felt in years. When your feet work properly, your entire body works better. Your feet are your foundation. When they hurt, you change how you walk, which affects your knees, hips, and back. When the pain decreases, your natural walking pattern returns. This uses less energy and improves your balance. As you move more and sleep better, you often feel lighter and more energetic. Women often report feeling 10 years younger around day 9. Not dramatic overnight changes, but steady, real improvement in how they feel. The relaxation and improved sleep from your nightly routine contribute to increased energy. Your feet can release tension through this soothing ritual. The warm soak helps your whole body relax. Castor oil helps your skin stay supple and comfortable. You might notice you are walking more during day 9. Your feet feel good enough that walking becomes enjoyable again. Take advantage of this. The more you move, the better your circulation becomes, which enhances the benefits of your nightly foot soak. Day 10. Toenail and fungal improvements. Jennifer had hidden her yellow, thick toenails for 15 years. She wore closed-toe shoes even in summer. By day 10, she noticed the new nail growing in clearer and healthier. The yellow was not gone, but she could see healthy nail emerging from the base. Toenail fungus thrives in warm, moist environments with poor circulation. The foot soaks create a different environment. The Epsom salt helps dry the area while improving circulation. Consistent foot care supports healthier-looking nails. Fresh growth takes weeks. This is not an overnight cure for fungal nails. It takes months for a toenail to grow out completely. But by day 10, you see the beginning of healthy change. The nails become less thick and brittle. The yellow color stops spreading. The nail begins to attach properly to the nail bed again. Athlete's foot and other skin fungus also improve during these 10 days. The combination of cleansing and moisturizing properties creates healing on multiple levels. Itching stops, redness fades, and cracking heals. The complete method for best results. Fill a basin with warm water, about 100 to 105 degrees. Add 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt and 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Stir well. The oil will not mix completely. That is fine. Soak your feet for 20 to 30 minutes. Do this 1 hour before bedtime. While soaking, wiggle your toes gently. Flex and point your feet slowly. This helps circulation and allows deeper penetration of the minerals. Breathe deeply and relax. This is your time. After soaking, pat feet dry gently. Apply a thin layer of castor oil to your feet, especially dry areas. Put on clean cotton socks. Go to bed. The treatment continues working all night. Do this every night for 10 days. After that, 3 times per week for maintenance. If you have severe issues, continue nightly for up to 30 days. Important safety notes. If you have open wounds on your feet, wait until they heal. If you have severe diabetes, check with your doctor first. If you take blood thinners, the improved circulation might affect your medication needs. Stop if you develop any rash or unusual reaction. The water temperature matters more than people realize. Too much heat causes more swelling and can damage fragile skin. Too cold prevents absorption. Use a thermometer the first few times until you learn the right temperature. It should feel comfortably warm, never shocking. Some women add essential oils like lavender or tea tree. This is fine, but not necessary. The castor oil and Epsom salt are doing the real work. Keep it simple for the best results. Morning stiffness should be nearly gone by day 10. Swelling remains reduced. Sleep stays improved. Energy levels stay higher. Your feet look and feel younger. The improvements last as long as you maintain the routine 3 times weekly. The total cost for a month of treatments is less than 1 pedicure. Epsom salt costs about $5 for a month's supply. Castor oil costs about $10. $15 to transform your feet and improve your entire body. Compare that to prescription medications, special shoes, or medical treatments. Women who continue this routine long-term report additional benefits. Leg cramps disappear. Restless leg syndrome improves. Even varicose veins become less prominent. The treatment keeps working as long as you keep doing it. Your feet took decades to develop these problems. Give them 10 days to show you what healing feels like.